looking at the possible evolution, I have to tell you that what I see is a light lockdown in the country, continuing production and construction to be ready to have engine for growth. So my expectation is that there could be some slowdown, but not so significant. So we can continue to have very good results at level of the bank.
It's interesting that one of the headlines from my producers was your paper profit on the Ubi Banca purchase as well. Are you confident, Carlo, that the actual price to book and the book valuations of your assets are accurate at the moment, given the concerns in the market about asset quality?
So I have to tell you that we posted 1.3 billion euros of provisions for the COVID environment already in our figures in September. So we are already in a very good position considering the impact of the pandemic situation. But looking at the badwill embedded in the UBI transaction, that is 3.3 billion euro and 1.3 billion euro exceeding our expectation net, 1.3 billion euro net, this means that we have roughly 2 billion euros more of gross provisions that we can post in order to accelerate the leveraging. To reduce non-performing loans through this badwill is our priority today, because we want to enter 2021 as the strongest bank in Europe.
Carlo, very good morning. It seems appropriate, since I'm talking to you from the Bank of England, that I should ask you a question about interest rates. I think you're doing better on the net interest margin, but of course continual pressure from policy from the European Central Bank, and given this fresh wave of lockdowns, difficult to see how the bank can do anything to help you at this point. Could you just give us a view on how well you think you're managing to negotiate the interest rate environment, and how concerned you might be that the ECB might do something more dramatic that would impact your profits?
So that's for sure a situation in which you have to pay attention on interest rate, but at the same time you have some benefit related to TLTRO3, because for the banks that are using this instrument, and especially the banks of South Europe, this could be a potential benefit on net interest income for the time being. So what is important is the attitude of ECB on the pricing on TLTRO3. At the same time, you know that we are a very strong wealth management and protection company. So in this situation, clients are used to move money from deposit into asset under management. And so we can also benefit from this situation, increasing commissions, and this will more than compensate net interest income that we can have in terms of reduction. That's for sure. We need to have intervention from the ECB in order to sustain real economy. So at the end, net, the trend is positive for real economy if ECB can continue its intervention.